Good afternoon and welcome back. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to talk about buying an used car. Why should you buy an used car? Suppose you are looking for a secondary car where you don't want to invest that much of money and your traveling will be within the city and for shorter distances. A good option is to buy a second or a used car, or suppose you are looking for a car at a cheap rate for your project work, maybe car restoration, maybe car modification. So for that purpose also a second hand car suits best for this purpose. There are several cars in the market, but my preference should be at least a car should be above 1000 cc, or at least 1000 cc should be bare minimum. Otherwise you won't enjoy the fun and driving pleasure of a car. So my preference was to have a car between 1000 cc to 1200 cc, and the budget was utterly low because all you know, I already own a brand new Altroz, so that car is serving all my purposes. But I was looking for a secondary car, and that too for my project work, and also my son who is learning driving, and he is also looking for a car with a good uh, horsepower, a car with a good horsepower, not that those 1600 cc engines that, as you know, fuel cost has risen considerably. So a car between 1000 to 1200 cc serves my purpose. So I was looking for a Ritz. Why Ritz? Because Ritz commands low price in the market compared to Swift. I was also looking for Swift in the market also, but comparatively the price of Swift commands a premium because there is a very high demand in the used market for that particular car. But Ritz with equally same specification and looks, yes, looks are also quite good, but looks are really subjective matter. But I do like the car Ritz also very much. So I was looking for a Ritz below 1.5 lakh budget, and the car should at least have a fitness for another 5 years and tax that has been paid. So that's why I chose this particular car, which I have purchased few days back. And this car I have procured for my project work. I will do some restoration work, I will do some little bit of modifications. So for that this car serves my purpose. So let's do a walk around of this car. This is a 2009 model Ritz VXI, and this car is first owner, and the color is B chocolate. In the used market your preference for color is limited because if you find a good car, your color may be not to your preference, or it may be opposite also. But this color is quite okay, and the paint condition is more or less in good condition, although up to this part, upper part, it's the original paint, and the lower part it has been repainted. But the paint job is okay, but you can't expect that much of good finish in a 11-year-old car. So this is the walk around. The car is more or less in good shape, and it is the VXI model. The dents have been repaired by the previous owner, but the paint job is not that good, but it's okay. Now that is how the car looks from outside. The radio antenna is broken, but it's okay, it can be replaced at 300 to 400 rupees. And this is the frontal view. This is the frontal view. Now let's get inside the car. This is the inside view, and this seat covers has been fitted by the previous owner. I haven't done any modification or any changes till now, so it is how the car I have procured in the same condition. The interior is okay, and it's not that too much shabby. That is the ceiling condition. Okay, this is from the passenger side. This is the rear position. This is how the rear position is. If you compare with Swift, your Ridge is much roomier compared to Swift. That was one proposition, but why Ridge failed to conquer the market, that's one question. Is actually these looks. These looks was not taken by the Indian consumer. So this is the rear looks from the driver's side. This is how the car looks from the driver's side. Interior trims are still in okay condition. You can't expect much for a sub 1.5 lakh car. This is the driver's position. One particular single DIN stereo is there that was fitted by the previous owner. The gear knob requires replacement, as it shows that it has worn out. That is a common problem with Ridge cars. Okay, and since it is a VXI model, you get all the power windows, and all the 4 power windows are in working condition. You have got the standard fog lamps fitted as OEM. Although the lens has become dirty due to usage, but still it's in working condition. And this is the boot space, and boot space also you get more than Swift. So it is a really practical city car. Now let's check the engine. This is the engine condition visible from your naked eye. The engine bay is okay. There are some visible signs of rusts, but that will be taken care of by me. In fact, after the car is serviced and some job is done, I will show you the difference. This is how the car I procured from the dealer. So this is the engine bay. The advantage of Ridge is that from the beginning Ridge was BS4. If you buy other model cars of 2009 or 2010, most of the cars are BS3. This is one advantage of Ridge, and you are getting a K series engine. The Maruti is one of the most reliable engines that you get with Ridge from the beginning. So this is also BS4. That is also one added advantage of owning a Ridge. So this is how the engine bay is. Now let's hear the engine sound. This is how the engine sound is. Etu ref kor. So you can hear the engine sound. The original sound is still intact. The original sound is still intact. একটু রেস কর আরেকটু. So that's the engine sound, and let me show you the exhaust. একটু রেফ কর. So that's the exhaust noise. It is absolutely fine considering the car is 2009 make. So if you are looking for a used car, especially below 1.5 lakh budget, and your preference is for more than a 800 or 1000cc engine, Maruti Ridge is one of the very good choices, I would say. And the advantage is that you have to pay much less price than Swift, and some questions may be there that the car has been discontinued, then what will happen to the spares and all. this particular car shares common spares with Swift. That is one advantage. That is one added advantage. So spares is not at all a problem, and normal services can be done at any local garage. So at any local garage you can easily service the car, and you can procure these consumables from the market which are easily available, or you can also buy from online. How do you like the car? What are your first?
First of all, this car is more safer than Swift. Up to any extent, this car will give you a stable sense of reliability and a sense of resilience. Since this car weighs 150 kgs, so this car you can expect to have a little bit of muscle. And this car is, frankly, I feel the best for the beginner because it doesn't have doesn't have very less horsepower like Zen Alto. Those only have 60 horsepower, and this car has whopping 85 horsepower, which is currently good for the Indian roads. And this car even has a top speed of about 100 miles per hour, if I am correct. So I feel this car is quite good for a beginner, and as a beginner myself, I would encourage all people to drive more safely and soundly. And first of all, I am learning in this car. This is actually my first car, and this car has been.
So that's a short review of this used Reed's VDI petrol, and hope you have liked the video. And if you still does not have subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Please subscribe to the channel and give a like or a thumbs up.